I've put together 5 of the best AI business ideas that you can start in 2026, and I'm going to fully explain each of them step by step. We're going to start with the easiest one first and then work our way up to the ones that need a bit more skill. So stay with me until the end because the last one might surprise you with how much money you can actually make. Because AI is changing everything about how businesses work, and smart people are using this moment to build real income streams that didn't exist just a year ago. And the amazing thing is that you don't need to be a tech genius or have a lot of money to get started with any of these ideas. So let's jump right into the first AI business idea, which is also the one that I believe to be the biggest opportunity for beginners who want to start a new business with zero experience with AI. Idea number 1, start an AI cloning agency. An AI cloning agency is a new business model where you create digital video clones for other business owners so they can make content without being on camera. You're basically selling a service where you take someone's face and voice and you use AI to create videos of them promoting their business. Then you are going to post those videos on their social media accounts for them while they focus on running their business. In fact, at this very moment, you're not watching the real me, you are watching my AI clone. And I've been testing this out for different industries and the outputs are unbelievable. I clone myself as a pressure washer cleaning a dirty driveway and me as an accountant explaining tax strategies in an office. These videos look professional and they look expensive, but we made them all with AI in less than 10 minutes, and clients pay us about $1,000 per month just to make videos like these and post them on social media. In fact, just last month, my agency generated over $400,000 in revenue by primarily selling social media management and advertising services. This, hands down, is one of the best AI businesses to start because it is so easy to sell. Think about it. Right now, AI clones are new and exciting. Most local business owners will be impressed to see a clone of themselves saying and doing stuff without getting on camera. So acquiring a new client for this service is easier than trying to sell complicated AI systems that they probably don't need. But AI clones are different because it's simple to understand and a novelty they can show off to their clients, friends, and family. And guess what? When people ask the business owner how they created an AI clone, they'll have no choice but to refer people directly to you. Your local real estate agent, chiropractor, dentist, lawyer, or insurance agent all need to show their face on social media to build trust with their community. The problem is that most of these business owners are posting boring generic Canva graphics instead of videos because they don't have time to record content. You solve that problem by creating an AI clone that makes videos for them while they focus on what they do best. To create AI clones for clients, you need 3 things that work together, which are a face, a voice, and a script or prompt. For the face, you have your client film a short video of themselves talking naturally with good lighting. The AI studies this video to learn how their face moves and their expressions. For the voice, you record audio samples of them speaking clearly, and the AI learns their tone, pace, and how they pronounce words. For the script or prompt, you simply type out what you want the clone to do or say, and the AI combines everything into a finished video. I put my personal links in the description to the tools I like to use for long form content, which are HeyGen and 11 Labs. But I'm also starting to use Sora by OpenAI for short form video content for my clients since it's much faster to create with. Now here's something really important. Creating AI clone videos for people is what allows you to acquire new clients so easily. But what actually keeps them paying month after month is generating real results for their business. This is where a software called High Level comes in. You can use High Level to build automations that turn your clients' video content into new leads, booked appointments, and paying customers. For example, you can set up automations that respond to comments on social media posts, send direct messages to interested people, and book appointments automatically even while your client is sleeping. When you combine amazing AI video content with a system that actually brings in revenue, your clients will never want to leave you. This brings us perfectly into idea number 2, because the same software I just mentioned is actually a complete business opportunity all on its own. Idea number 2, build an AI software. But real quick, if we haven't met yet, I'm Sean's clone. Sean is a licensed tax professional and the owner of a $4 million per year social media marketing agency, winning awards like the Inc. 5000 Fastest Growing Companies, Gold High Level Software Award, and many others. And I'm here to share his knowledge with you. Because the truth is, there are enough opportunities out there for us all to win. And sharing this knowledge does nothing to impact me, but it helps people like you. All I ask is that you like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. All right, back to idea number 2, build an AI software. Starting an AI software business sounds scary to most people because they think they need to know how to code or have a computer science degree, but there's a way to do this that's so easy almost anyone can figure it out. The secret is something called white labeling, and the best platform to do this with right now is called High Level, because they've built everything for you already and you just put your own name on it. High Level is a software that helps businesses manage their customers, send emails, send text messages, build websites, and do a whole lot more using AI features built right into the platform. When you white label it, you're taking their software and making it look like your own software with your own name, your own logo, and your own branding, so your customers think you built it yourself. Then you sell access to this software to other businesses and charge them a monthly fee, which is how you make recurring money every single month. You can build custom CRM software for specific industries and solutions. My favorite AI software idea is building custom voice AI agents that can answer inbound calls and make outbound calls for a specific industry. Let's say you choose dental practices. You could create a software that includes voice AI trained on dental terminology, appointment scheduling protocols, insurance verification processes, and patient communication guidelines, and even build in conversation flows for common scenarios like emergency calls, routine cleanings, and new patient inquiries. This feature alone is worth thousands of dollars to business owners because it means they never miss a lead or customer, and their phone is covered 24/7. Here's a quick walkthrough of how to set this up. You go to AI agents in your High Level account and click on Voice AI to create your first agent. You give it a name, choose a voice from the list, and set up the greeting message that plays when someone calls. Then you tell the AI what information to collect during the call, like name, email, and what service they need. The AI saves all this to your CRM automatically. You can also set it up to trigger workflows, transfer calls to humans when needed, and send follow-up texts after the call ends. Finally, you assign a phone number to your agent and set the business hours. For outbound calling, you register for approval in the Voice AI settings, then create a workflow that uses the Voice AI outbound call action. This lets you automatically call leads within seconds of them filling out a form. Every call is recorded and logged with full transcripts, so you can see exactly what happened. This is the easiest way to start a software business without writing a single line of code or having any technical experience at all, and you can be up and running in just a few days. You set your own prices, you pick your own customers, and you keep the difference between what you pay High Level and what your customers pay you. Many people charge their customers anywhere from $200 to $500 per month for access to the software, and the more customers you get, the more money you make. Now, I do want to talk about another way to build AI software called AI vibe coding, which is when you use AI tools like Cursor, Replit, or Lovable to help you write code for apps and software. This method is getting a lot of attention right now because AI can write code so much faster than humans ever could, and it seems like anyone could just tell the AI what to build and it would do it for you. The truth is that AI vibe coding is amazing technology, but it's still mostly ideal for people who already know how to code or who have developer experience. The reason I say this is because when you use AI to write code, there are going to be bugs and errors that pop up all the time. And if you don't understand coding, you won't know how to fix these problems when they happen. Even the best AI coding tools make mistakes, and sometimes those mistakes break the whole app, and you have no idea what went wrong or how to fix it. So if you're a complete beginner with no coding background, I suggest you stick with the white label High Level method because it just works and you don't have to worry about any technical problems because they have hundreds of developers on their payroll. Speaking of things that work, if you want to learn exactly how I set up my own AI business from scratch and get access to the same software I use to run my agency, you should grab my free AI business blueprint course by clicking the link in the description below. This free course walks you through everything step by step, and you'll also get access to the same AI-powered software that I use every single day to run my agency and serve my clients. Now let's move on to the next business idea, which is where things start to get really exciting because you can earn even more money with the right strategy. Idea number 3, AI digital products. With this, you would use AI to create things like courses, ebooks, templates, prompts, and other digital assets using AI tools and then sell them online. The cool thing about digital products is that you create them once and you can sell them over and over again without doing any extra work. AI makes it possible to create these products way faster than ever before, which means you can build an entire library of products in the time it used to take to make just one. Let me give you some examples of AI digital products you could create and sell. You could write an ebook or guide on a topic you understand well and use ChatGPT to help you outline it, write the chapters, and edit the final version. You could create template packs for things like social media posts, email sequences, business plans, or resume designs, and use AI to generate dozens of variations quickly. But here's the honest truth about why I put this idea in the middle of our difficulty ranking. Creating digital products with AI is actually pretty easy once you learn the tools. The hard part is getting people to actually buy them. You need distribution, which means you need an audience, traffic, or some way to get your products in front of people who want to buy them. If you don't have followers on social media, an email list, or money to spend on ads, you're going to have a really hard time selling digital products no matter how good they are. This is why I recommend most beginners start with a service business like the AI cloning agency or AI software ideas we talked about earlier. With services, you only need to find a handful of clients to make good money. With digital products, you usually need thousands of people to see your offer before you make consistent sales. Plus, most digital products are one-time sales, which means you're always chasing the next customer. Now let's move on to the next idea, which takes the AI skills you've been learning and applies them to automating entire business operations. Idea number 4, custom AI automation services. AI automation is when you use AI tools to connect different apps and systems together so that work happens automatically without people having to do boring, repetitive tasks. This is different from just building a single AI agent because with automation services, you're looking at the whole business and finding every place where AI can save time and make things run smoother. Companies lose so much money paying employees to do tasks that AI could handle in seconds, and they'll gladly pay you good money to fix this problem for them. For example, a recruiting company might want you to build an automation that uses AI to screen resumes, rank candidates, and send personalized outreach to the best ones for interviews. The main tools you need to learn for AI automation are platforms like Zapier, Make, and N8N, which let you connect thousands of different apps together and add AI to make smart decisions along the way. The learning curve is steeper here than the previous businesses we talked about, but once you understand how it works, you can charge big money for your expertise and clients will see you as a true technology partner. Most AI automation agencies charge anywhere from $3,000 to $50,000 per project, depending on how complex the automation is and how much money it saves the client. The beautiful thing about this business is that you often find multiple projects with each client because once you automate one thing, they see how amazing it is and want you to automate everything else too. We're now moving into the final idea, which covers the highest earning potential of all these business ideas, and it requires the most expertise, but also pays the most money. Idea number 5, AI consulting. AI consulting is when you get paid for your knowledge and advice about how businesses should use AI, and this is where the really big money is because companies pay premium prices for expert guidance. As an AI consultant, you don't necessarily do all the hands-on work yourself, but instead you advise business leaders on what AI tools to use, what strategies to follow, and how to prepare their company for the AI future. This is the business idea that takes the most time to build because you need real expertise and credibility before companies will trust you with these decisions. Let me paint a picture of what AI consulting looks like so you understand the kind of work you do. A manufacturing company might hire you to analyze their entire operation and create a roadmap for which processes should be automated with AI over the next 2 years. A Fortune 500 company might pay you to train their executive team on AI strategy so they don't fall behind their competitors who are already using this technology. The way you become an AI consultant is by first doing the hands-on work in the other businesses we talked about so you actually understand how AI works in real business situations. Nobody wants advice from someone who has only read about AI but never actually implemented it for clients. So you need that practical experience to be credible and trustworthy. AI consultants charge anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per hour for their time, and some charge fixed fees of $50,000 to several $100,000 for larger consulting projects. The clients at this level are usually bigger companies with real budgets who understand that good advice is worth paying for because bad AI decisions could cost them millions. All right, now you have 5 real AI business ideas that you can start with, going from easiest to most advanced, so you can pick the one that matches where you are right now. If you're brand new, start with an AI cloning agency or white labeling Go High Level because these have the lowest barrier to entry and you can start making money fast. The most important thing is to take action today instead of waiting for the perfect moment because the perfect moment is right now while AI is still early. Grab my free AI Business Blueprint course and check out the software I use to run my agency by clicking the link in the description. Coming up next, I have a video breaking down how I clone myself and how you can create content using Sora step by step. And I'll see you over there.